What if I told you your air fryer could be toxic without you even knowing it? Today, we are diving into the top 5 best non-toxic air fryers that keep your food safe and your kitchen guilt-free. Welcome back to the channel. Links to all these amazing picks are in the description below. At number 5 is GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop. Did you know that most air fryers release hidden toxins when heated? Shocking, right? That is exactly why the GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop feels like a breath of fresh air in the kitchen. It is not just another appliance, it is a healthier lifestyle choice for anyone serious about clean, safe cooking. Unlike many others from our top 5 best non-toxic air fryer list, this one uses fuzz-free non-stick coating, meaning zero harmful chemicals leaching into your food. Its hex heat technology with 6 quartz elements ensures every corner of your meal is perfectly crisped and evenly cooked. You can bake, broil, toast, roast, dehydrate, or even proof dough. It is like having a mini restaurant oven on your counter. If you crave family-sized capacity and peace of mind while cooking, this is a smart, safe, and powerful pick. Would you trust anything less in your kitchen? At number 4 is Nuwave Brio Plus. Did you know most air fryers lose accuracy after a few months of use? That uneven cooking, burnt edges, or soggy fries, yeah, that's a common problem. But the Nuwave Brio Plus just flipped that story completely. It is one of those rare models in our top 5 best non-toxic air fryer lineup that feels both futuristic and foolproof. With its digital touchscreen controls and precise temperature adjustments from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you get full control, no guesswork, no half-cooked meals. I love how it pauses automatically when the basket is removed, safety and convenience in one smooth motion. Compared to other models, the Brio Plus feels more responsive and consistent. Sure, it is a bit bulky, but the payoff is unmatched accuracy. If you crave smarter, cleaner, and safer cooking, this one's worth every cent. On number 3 is Aria Touchscreen Toaster. What if one kitchen appliance could replace your toaster, microwave, and deep fryer, while cutting 80% of the fat from your meals? Sounds unreal, right? That is exactly what the Aria Touchscreen Toaster Oven delivers. It is not just an air fryer, it is a lifestyle upgrade for anyone chasing healthier, cleaner cooking. In our top 5 best non-toxic air fryer lineup, Aria stands out for its oil-free technology and fuzz-free construction, giving you peace of mind with every crispy bite. The touchscreen presets make it effortless to switch between chicken, veggies, or desserts, while its 30-quart capacity handles family feasts with ease. Sure, it is slightly bulkier, but it heats faster and cooks more evenly. If you crave flavor without guilt and performance without toxins, Aria is your kitchen smart, safe revolution. At number 2 is YEDI HOUSEWARE Evolution Air Fryer. What if healthy, guilt-free frying could actually look this good on your countertop? Meet the YEDI HOUSEWARE Evolution Air Fryer, a stunning blend of design, performance, and safety, priced at $128.95. This is not just another gadget, it is part of the Nuwave redefining the top 5 best non-toxic air fryers. Its ceramic-coated basket is completely free of PFOA, PTFE, BPA, lead, and cadmium, so every meal feels cleaner and safer. With 360-degree steel design and a large LCD touchscreen, it feels futuristic yet simple to use. Plus, the dehydration function and deluxe accessory kit make it perfect for experimenting with snacks, from crispy fries to homemade dried fruit. Compared to models, the YEDI Evolution wins on style and eco-safety. If you want toxin-free, family-safe cooking with modern flair, this is the smart choice. Now moving to the last one is Big Boss Extra Large Glass. What if you could actually see your food getting crispier and golden without opening the lid? The Big Boss Extra Large Glass Air Fryer makes that possible, clear, powerful, and proudly part of the top 5 best non-toxic air fryers lineup. This see-through glass design is not just for show, it lets you monitor every moment while keeping the heat sealed in for faster, more efficient cooking. With triple cooking power, halogen, convection, and infrared, it crisps food evenly without needing oil. The massive 16-quart capacity can even handle a full turkey, and the 2-shelf design means you can cook 2 dishes at once. Unlike many plastic models, The glass bowl gives peace of mind, no toxins, no worries. At this price, it is a solid, healthy investment. Want safe, visible, and oil-free cooking for the whole family? This one truly delivers. Here's why: it perfectly balances style, safety, and performance. With its toxin-free ceramic coating and 360-degree steel design, it delivers peace of mind while looking sleek on any countertop. The large LCD screen, precise controls, and extra accessories make cooking effortless and fun. Whether you are air frying, dehydrating, or baking, every meal turns out crisp, clean, and healthy. If you want reliable performance with zero toxins, this is the air fryer worth investing in. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best non-toxic air fryer. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.